Hola mga BBietes, and ngayon nandito po ako ngayon sa inyo sa another video po natin for product review na aquarium, at gawa po to ng Flubal. Ito po yung versions ng Flubal D-Spec. Okay, and yeah, without further ado, so we're going to check how is Fluba made. Okay. Come on. So, ito po siya. Okay, so ito po yung ating Flubal aquarium, and basically hindi talaga siya masyadong flat po siya, and then ito po yung ating filter na lalagyan. Ito po yung dalawang layer for filtrations na ilalagyan po natin. Okay, and lalagay ko siya dito. And then to explain this, ito po yung mga 3 layers of chambers sa natin. So meron po tayong lagusan o papasukan ng tubig, and then pupunta sa ating filter media. Okay, and then yung activated carbon natin, and then yung ating basic filter na ceramic media. Okay, ito po yung ating filter, and then papunta po siya dito palabas yung ating outflow ng ating filtration. Okay, ito po yung actual ng itsura ng ating filter natin, at ilalagay ko po yung ating filter on this, and then ipa-plug ko siya dito. Okay, ito po yung outflow natin. Okay, so ganun kasimple lang po how to install the filtrations. At ngayon, meron po siyang cover, how to cover the aquarium natin. Yun, meron siyang panglagay na cover, and then yung light po natin. Ito po yung light po natin. Okay? So, meron siyang button dito. Mamaya, gagawin po natin is to demo how to on and off dito. So, lulus na po natin siya, and then i-lock na po natin. So, ganun na po siya kasimple, guys. Okay? Pag-install. Okay? So, ito po yung itsura niya. To open, yan. So, basically ngayon is naka-night na setup. Then, pwede natin i-close, at pwede natin siyang i-open to daylight. Okay? Alright, so ito po yung actual na setup po natin for the Flubal V series na aquarium. And included sa ating Flubal V series na aquarium is meron po tayong light. Okay? Meron po tayong basic filtrations for this one, which is nasa loob na po siya ng aquarium. And what else we can see here, meron po tayong basic reading for temperature. Okay, so sa light po natin, upon checking sa model po nito, sa spec meron po siyang 7K na Kelvin, meaning 7K is color temperature, 7,000. And sa filtration naman po natin, meron po siyang 3 chambers on this one, na kung saan kung ano po yung mga lalagyan po natin ng mga filtration media. Okay, so sa basic na sa default natin na na binigay ni Flubal sa atin is yung black filter, and then may carbonated activated carbon, and yung basic na ceramic ring. Okay, kung saan dito po ang bahayan ng ating mga good beneficial bacteria. Okay, and if you are wondering, perhaps itong setup po ng Flubal ay required po niya ng transformer. Basically, baka I think kailangan niya ng 110 na voltahe. Okay? Kaya meron po siyang transformer. Okay? Hindi po siya transformer na mag-transform as a automobile. Okay? And ito lang din yung meron din siya is yung basic na reading for temperature. Okay? So if you also want to have your own design for aquarium, so you can also visit us on Chase Aquatic, okay, with collaborations with Aqua Eden. We can create a premium and high standard na mga design po, okay, based po sa preference ng ating client. Okay, so Chase Aquatic, guys, so we can also we can offer a lot of services with you guys like paradarium, aquarium, even yung vibarium ba yun? Okay, tama ba? So even yung pan, okay, yung shop po namin is nasa Carmona exit, okay, nasa Paseo de Carmona, okay, and that only be it. So ating product review for the Plubal. Okay, you can also check our link description below for more information with this product. Okay, until such time, hanggang dito na po tayo sa ating video, and see you again for the next video that we have. Good.